channel book of Chaitanya. But believe me, this thing gonna turn into a marker, a freaky fucking marker. Hey yo, what's up guys? This is Chaitanya this side. So this is gonna be my first video where I'm gonna interacting with the camera, to the audience, where I don't have a lot audience around. It's like 130 or 135 people who subscribes me. So yeah, so today in this video I'm gonna be making a marker, especially we can say a graffiti marker or graffiti mob. So this is the really good way where you can alternate to the graffiti markers which are there on Amazon, or you can even Google it, and it really costs too much. So as a beginner, if you don't wanna buy those markers, you can even make a marker for yourself. Tagging is like just a quick tag. I just pass by and make tags. For that you're gonna need a marker, and I'm gonna make a marker for that tagging too. Anything else do I need to tell you? We can even use it in else mediums, especially not graffiti. So let's see what I'm gonna do. So before we're gonna start making, you just check out all the things you're gonna need to make that marker. Yes, even this thing. Taken a shoe polish bottle, so basically you don't need to take this kind of bottle, but you need to take care of few things. That the opening where there's gonna be a sponge or kind of a cotton needs to be really broadened, and the cap must not touch the opening where you're gonna put the cotton. So next thing, so now I have took pieces of golden napkin, which is quite bit thick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it together and roll it around, and really gonna roll it tight so I can really do it. It's a simple thing. You just need to roll it. This thing over here. How it's gonna look. So now we're gonna pull this out, and then we're gonna pour the ink. So I have 2 permanent marker refills, so I'm gonna put all these refills inside it.